Essential oils for firmer skin, top picks from Wikiaware community. Exploring the natural efficacy of essential oils for skin tightening reveals a world where beauty and wellness converge. These potent botanical extracts offer a gentle yet effective means to enhance skin's firmness, leveraging nature's power for a radiant complexion. Choosing essential oils for skincare brings the power of natural ingredients to the forefront. With their rich, therapeutic properties, these oils not only nurture the skin but also support its natural healing and rejuvenation processes, offering a holistic approach to beauty. Essential oils work to improve skin elasticity and firmness by penetrating deep into the skin layers. Their unique compounds stimulate collagen production and repair skin tissue, making them invaluable allies in the quest for a youthful and vibrant appearance. Lavender oil stands out for its gentle action on the skin. Known for its soothing properties, it enhances skin's tightness while calming any irritation. This makes lavender oil a versatile solution suitable for almost every skin type. Frankincense oil, revered since ancient times, holds the secret to youthful, firmer skin. Its ability to promote cell regeneration and reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines makes it a cornerstone in anti-aging skincare routines. Myrrh oil, with its rich history, offers an ancient yet effective remedy for revitalizing loose skin. Its powerful rejuvenating properties help in enhancing the skin's elasticity, making it an ideal choice for those seeking a firmer and more youthful complexion. Neroli oil, extracted from the blossom of the bitter orange tree, is cherished for its ability to tighten delicate skin gently. Its ability to stimulate skin cell regeneration lends itself to a more vibrant, rejuvenated skin tone, ideal for those aiming for a subtle lift. Geranium oil stands out for its balancing act on the skin. It not only tightens and tones but also promotes a balanced secretion of sebum, making it beneficial for both dry and oily skin types. Its overall effect leaves the skin looking radiant and feeling firmer. Sandalwood oil stands out for its deep moisturizing benefits that not only hydrate the skin but also contribute to its tightening. The rich, woody aroma adds a therapeutic dimension, enhancing the overall skin care experience and promoting a sense of calm. Patchouli oil is renowned for its cell-regenerating properties, making it an excellent choice for those looking to improve their skin's tightness. It aids in the reduction of the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines, leading to a visibly firmer skin texture. Ylang ylang oil, with its exotic floral scent, is a powerhouse for enhancing skin elasticity. It works by balancing oil production, which is essential for maintaining skin health and preventing sagging, thereby ensuring a youthful glow. When it comes to using essential oils for skin tightening, safety is paramount. It's crucial to dilute them with a carrier oil to prevent irritation. Additionally, conducting a patch test before widespread use can help avoid adverse reactions. Creating your own skin tightening blend can be both rewarding and effective. Combine a few drops of your chosen essential oils with a carrier oil like jojoba or almond. This personalized mix can then be gently massaged into the skin, offering a customized treatment. Essential oil safety is paramount, especially when applied to the skin. Diluting essential oils in a carrier oil, such as coconut or almond oil, can prevent skin irritation. A good rule of thumb is to use a 2% dilution rate for most applications. Before incorporating any essential oil into your skincare routine, performing a patch test is crucial. Apply a small amount of the diluted essential oil to a discrete skin area and wait 24 hours. This simple test can help you avoid adverse reactions. Daily skincare routines can be enhanced by the inclusion of essential oils. When used consistently, oils like lavender and frankincense can contribute to skin's firmness and elasticity. It's important to apply them in conjunction with a moisturizer to lock in hydration. Carrier oils play a significant role in the effectiveness of essential oils for skin tightening. They not only dilute the potency of essential oils, making them safer for skin application, but also provide their own nourishing benefits that can enhance overall skin health. Combining facial exercises with essential oils can amplify skin tightening results. Exercises that target the facial muscles can improve circulation and skin tone, while the topical application of essential oils can provide the necessary nutrients for firm and supple skin. The science behind essential oils and skin health is rooted in their natural compounds that can promote collagen production and increase skin elasticity. These oils contain antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, which help in repairing and rejuvenating the skin. Comparing essential oils to commercial skin tightening products reveals a stark contrast. Essential oils offer a natural, chemical-free option that minimizes the risk of skin irritation and adverse effects. In contrast, many commercial products contain synthetic ingredients that can be harsh on the skin. Testimonials from individuals who have incorporated essential oils into their skincare routine often highlight remarkable improvements in skin tightness and overall health. These real-life success stories serve as powerful testimonials to the efficacy of essential oils in natural skin care. Addressing common concerns and questions about essential oils for skin involves understanding their proper use, including dilution and application techniques. It's also important to recognize that while essential oils can offer significant benefits, they are not a cure-all for every skin issue. Finding high-quality essential oils for skin care is crucial for achieving the best results. Look for reputable suppliers that provide pure, organic oils. These suppliers often include detailed information about the origin and processing of the oils to ensure their efficacy and safety. The importance of choosing organic and pure essential oils cannot be overstated. These oils are free from pesticides and chemicals, which can otherwise compromise their therapeutic properties. Organic oils are also more likely to be sustainably sourced, supporting environmental health. The shift towards natural skin care solutions has a positive impact on the environment. By choosing essential oils over synthetic products, consumers can reduce their ecological footprint. Natural extraction methods and biodegradable packaging further minimize environmental harm. Embracing a holistic approach to skin tightening with essential oils means considering not just the physical benefits but also the mental and emotional well-being they promote. This approach advocates for a balanced lifestyle, integrating natural skin care into a routine that nurtures the whole person. For those new to using essential oils for skin tightening, a wealth of information is available. Frequently asked questions cover topics from how to dilute oils properly to the best combinations for specific skin types, providing a comprehensive guide for beginners to follow.